Hi guys, Mike here and welcome to today's video. Yeah, in today's video we're going to chase another waterfall, and we are right now at Baileys Chute, and there are two more waterfalls not very far away from here, so we try to uh, make as much as possible and see which one is the best.
Tree hugger.
Alright guys, so we are here still at the Baileys Chute waterfall, and the viewing platform is a couple meters up that hill, but we decided not to use that platform. We found our own spot here at the shore of the river, and yeah, it's pretty rocky and slippery and stuff like that, but has to be expected. Other than that, the weather is playing in our favor. It's perfect weather, blue sky, sunshine. It can't be a better day. It's not too hot, not too cold, so really appreciate that. Um, and yeah, you can really see here from the bottom of the waterfall how the salmon trying to get up this waterfall. And I don't know if I already mentioned that. It's now 11th, 12th of September. So I think, yeah, they are trying to go back wherever they need to go. Alright, here we have a Canadian or North American female merganser. I hope I don't butcher the name. And it's somewhere in between a crow and a goose for the body size. And we have 54 to 71 centimeters body length and a wingspan of 86 centimeters or 9 inches. And for the body it's 21.3 to 27.9 inches. These birds can dive all the way down to 10 meters and eat 300 grams fish a day, and it was such a treat to see this little bugger. Time is running out, and therefore we have to head back. Okay guys, we are at the Spahats Falls. Huge parking lot here, so it must be something good, I guess, but we will see. This is waterfall number, I forgot the number, it doesn't really matter. Hey, welcome to Spahats Falls. Spahats Falls is about 60 meters tall, 197 foot. And yeah, the rest you have to read for yourself because I'm a lazy person. Okay, let's have a look at the falls. Yeah, the trail system here on this one is really nice, pretty flat, not as steep like the other ones. And lush green, really nice. Nice to see here. All the forest, and yeah, it's a perfect place. Now we come to the viewpoint of the Spahats Falls. Looks like we can overlook the valley or something like that. Oh, we see. right, that was the view from the Spahats Waterfalls, and we see what happens next. All right, we are back at the Salmon Falls, and last time we've been here, we rushed through this place. Was a mistake, we realized later, after a couple of conversations that we have with the park rangers and whatnot. They told us about some hidden gems here and some trails that we should had taken in the first place, but we did not. So therefore, we tried to catch up on this one. And here we look at the Helmken Falls again. They dropped down 141 meters, and they've been named after a German doctor who has worked for the Hudson's Bay Company back in the days. The Helmken Falls is being accounted for one of the fourth highest waterfalls in all of Canada. After talking to some park rangers here, they told us there are 2 or more ways down into the canyon, but unfortunately we are running out of daylight again. So we have to come back for another trip. If you like it so far, you can leave a like and subscribe, and we guys see you in the next one. Till then.